Gather around, everyone. Today, we're diving into a thrilling adventure that combines the great outdoors with a sprinkle of spookiness. So grab your camping gear, because we're headed to the haunted forest. Now, before we begin, let's make sure we're ready to tackle some tricky vocabulary along the way. Don't worry, I'll explain everything. Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between towering mountains, there was a group of friends, Mia, Jake, and Lily. They loved exploring and were always on the lookout for new adventures. One sunny Saturday, they decided to go camping in the forest that everyone whispered about, the haunted forest. Now, haunted means that people believe it's filled with ghosts or spirits. Isn't that spine-tingling? As they packed their backpacks with snacks, sleeping bags, and flashlights, Mia said, "I heard the stories about this place. They say if you listen closely, you can hear the whispers of the lost souls." Jake laughed. "Come on, Mia, ghosts aren't real." Soul. But Lily, who was a little more cautious, added, "Maybe we should stick together, just in case." That's smart thinking, Lily. Stick together means to stay close to each other for safety. Finally, they arrived at the edge of the haunted forest. The trees loomed tall and twisted, their branches reaching out like skeletal fingers. It was eerie, but also beautiful in a strange way. "Look at those shadows," Jake exclaimed. "They look like they're dancing." Shadows can be tricky. They're dark shapes that appear when something blocks light. But in the forest, they seem to come alive. As they ventured deeper, they set up their campsite near a sparkling stream. The sound of the water was soothing, but as night fell, the forest transformed. The wind whistled through the trees, creating a haunting melody. "This is amazing," Mia said, her eyes wide with excitement. "But it's also kind of creepy." Creepy means it gives you an uneasy feeling, like when you hear a strange noise in the dark. After roasting marshmallows and sharing ghost stories around the campfire, the friends decided to explore a little further. They stumbled upon an old, abandoned cabin. "Should we go inside?" Jake asked, his voice trembling with both fear and excitement. "I don't know. It looks really old," Lily replied. Old means it has been there for a long time, and in this case, it looked like it hadn't been touched for years. With a deep breath, they pushed the creaky door open. Inside, they found dusty furniture and cobwebs hanging from the ceiling. Suddenly, a loud crash echoed from the back room. "What was that?" Mia gasped. "Let's get out of here." But Jake, feeling brave, said, "Wait, let's check it out." Brave means having the courage to face fear, and Jake was definitely feeling brave. As they tiptoed toward the noise, they discovered a family of raccoons rummaging through some old boxes. They all burst into laughter. "I thought it was a ghost," Lily giggled. "Me too," Mia chuckled. It turns out that the real mystery of the haunted forest was just a bunch of hungry raccoons. After their adventure, they returned to the campfire, their hearts still racing but filled with joy. "This was the best camping trip ever," Mia declared, "and we faced our fears together." So what did we learn today? Camping can be both fun and spooky, but it's always better with friends. And remember, if you ever hear whispers in the woods, it might just be the wind or some raccoons. If you enjoyed this story and want to learn more fun vocabulary while exploring exciting tales, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join us for more adventures that will make learning English a thrilling experience. Until next time, happy camping.